Hello! To illustrate the content from Chapter 2 of the NGO Village content creation segment, I'm going to show you how the two tools for research and inspiration for content creation work in practice. Today, I'm going to talk about Google Trends and Answer the Public. First, let's focus on Google Trends. It's a completely free Google tool that offers a possibility to check and overview the trending searches in a whole world. You can customize the search according to location and language. There is also a possibility to compare results. So now let's see how easy it is to use Google Trends. To show the mechanism of searching, I'm going to set an area to Ireland. Ireland is here because it's an EU country with English as an official language, and I'm going to type in English volunteering. Okay. So now you can see that the results show the timeline that we can modify according to time frame. So the default is 12 months. You can change it for last hour up to even 5 years or all the way from 2004. So let's see how the searches looked throughout the last 5 years. You can see. Okay, we can go back to the default, so 12 months. Okay, and here you can see areas with the biggest share of searches during the last 12 months. So you can see the cities, you can see how many searches there were. Okay, so now we can try out the comparison option. So the comparison option is here. I'm going to type gap year. Okay. In the results, you can see that there are two lines showing the searches on both phrases throughout time. So the blue line is for volunteering and the red line is for gap year. Okay, you can also type more data here in add comparison and continue comparing if you need it. But we will going to just stop on this one compare. And this is all about Google Trends. So this is how to use the basic functionalities of Google Trends. And now we can talk about the second website that's called Answer the Public. That page allows you to look for keywords and presents the topic-related questions that people have been asking to search engines. It's a more advanced tool, which is why its full version is paid. However, there is a basic free version that still allows searching and collecting valuable data. The big advantage of Answer the Public are search results extended into sentences and a graph that segmentates answers. So now I'm going to show you how Answer the Public works in practice. So again, I'm going here to set a location to Ireland and change the language to English, and I will type volunteering as well. And enter. Okay, so the results are loading. Sometimes the page needs a little while. Okay, so here you can see a graph with segmented answers. And the answers here are segmented according to the form of questions that you can read from the graph. So for example, we can see some questions that are practically ready ideas for your NGO's online postings, such as where to put volunteering on CV or challenges while volunteering. So in general, studying this can give you a huge piece of knowledge about what do people want to know about volunteering and inspire you to further postings. Here you can also see this is a novelty. Key indicators, so you can see which of the searches that are here in the graph are most popular ones, which ones are a little less more popular, and the which ones are the smallest searches. So here also it's shown with the colors So also that can give you some overview on what is the most popular. Okay, so now let's go here and let's change from visualization to data. Here you can see the same data that were shown in the graph, but in a different form. So it's entirely up to you what do you prefer, what kind of data demonstration you prefer. But also, if you go down here, you can see also the results in form of prepositions. So the questions starting with without, near, can, to, etc. And as well, you can see comparisons and alphabeticals. So all the searches in alphabetical order. This can also be very helpful and just make it easier for you to understand the data. Also here on the very bottom, you have related searches. So also you can see that about the searches such as volunteering near me, volunteering abroad, and you can click and check it out. Okay, now you know the basic functionalities of Answer the Public. This is also a very useful page. So thank you very much for your attention and good luck with looking for inspiration on the internet.